Hey up! This video I started about a month ago. I just got round to finishing up the editing. There's some wind noise in here and I'm sorry, I should have had my mic on. But I go through opening my pool from wintertime, fixing a couple of pool leaks. Now the way I do it is all redneck, not the proper way, but proper way on this pool would be to just remove it and put a new pool in. And then I do kind of a review on these $29 Chinese waders, and my pool's up and running. So just how I opened up the pool this year and the troubles that I had. Thanks for watching. Okay, today's video is on opening my pool. I do some review on some Chinese waders, and I have a leak and fixing it. The previous pool guy that I got in to put the liner in, he did not do it right. He cut everything too short, so when the water got on it, it just stretched it out. So I've done repairs over the last 4 years to keep it going. Last summer, towards the end, I was losing about an inch of water a day. So I had a leak, I fixed it one time, and it was still leaking a little bit, and I found another leak, did a test overnight, no level drop. So I filled the pool all the way up. Anyway, this is just the process, and hope it's fun. Thanks for watching. Well, it's May 18th, and I just took the cover off the pool. Actually, not just. I've drained some water out because I've been fighting a leak. The Silicon 801 works really well. Okay, so it's almost 90 degrees, just over 30 degrees C. And it's May 18th, and it's not even summertime. So I've just been kind of working. So I'm gonna have my first beer of the year. So some PBR. Cheers everyone, have a great summer. So I've given all those a sand, so I'm going to throw some of that silicone in the hole and on the outside, and we'll let that dry. So when I got this liner replaced, the previous guy just let it up like this, screwed it in, cut it, screwed it in. Then when the pool water hit, it pushed against this liner and just pulled it out. So I ended up putting that grape foam behind here, so I made holes in here. So I filled this gap up, and that worked. But the holes, I just put that vinyl pool repair kit with the glue over it, and it lasted maybe a year, 2 years, and then fell off, and then I had the holes and that leaked. So I've put that silicone stuff on here, that 801 Boss works really well. We'll see how that goes. So I'm just going to fill it up now, see if I got another leak, and move on. It takes forever to put water in the pool, but I'm going to fill it up to that top step, make sure it's level, and then leave it for maybe 6 hours and see if it drops. I swept all this stuff down to here, and that's a mess. So this thing over here cleans the pool up really nice. I don't have a filter in, so it's just coming through straight out. I've got it into my drain pipe that goes out to the front. Tubes or the hose is primed, so I'm just going to throw it in and suck that out. Okay, so it's a lot cleaner, still really dirty. That's going to settle and I'll clean it again. It didn't drop the water level that much, so it won't put me that far behind. I'm going to splash some chlorine in, and I did that yesterday too. So the green algae got killed, but I can see it's got kind of green again, so I'm going to throw some chlorine in. But that's kind of it for now. So I turned off the water. It's right on the edge of the step, and I'll see in maybe 6 hours if it's dropped. After that cleaning that I did, that settled, just a little bit of dirt on the ground, one more, and this will be looking really good. Just add water, do the chemicals, and I'll be swimming. Okay, so it's still leaked. After patching those up, I'm going to look at them again, see if they look okay, but it was about the same drop. So I think it could be that thing now. So I'm just going to cork everything again. And if it's not that, I'll just live with it for 2 months and then close it down. So as that water's still cold, I've got my waders, bucket with tools. I put this in here for weight, so it'll be kind of buoyant, so to speak, without tipping over, or have some ballast. Anyway, on with it. Wow, these waders feel weird, but I think I'm dry. What'd you know, it's Phillips? So down here I can see some cracking, so I think the leak was here, and I need to get some paper towel to dry this off and give this a bit of a clean. Okay, it's as ugly as it'll get, but it's going to do. It either works or it doesn't. So, we'll see tomorrow. Oh, these are good for $29. So it's this easy. They've got grip, but they're kind of soft. It's all sealed, waterproof. There's no pockets, and it comes up to here. So the inside has this mesh type substance, kind of like a sock, but very thin. And then it goes to the inside material. There's kind of like something or other on it. There's a texture on it, and it feels nice against the skin. Long time in the heat, maybe it would be bad. In the pool, nothing. These are not stitches. They're all done with a hot knife of some sort, and there is a pocket on the inside. It's not very big, but you can put a wallet or a phone in there. And these are kind of cheesily put on although it is with heat. So I'm thinking maybe 10 uses out of this. You're going to rip it here somewhere. It's not a durable set of waders. If you want something durable, spend $100 on whatever. These are a one-time use. I feel you may get about 10 out of it. That's it. This thing makes opening the pool so easy. I know they're expensive. Make yourself one. Real easy to make. But I have hardly done anything to this pool. Just vacuumed it twice to waste, and it's almost ready. So I've got 2 hose pipes filling it up. It'll still take a full day and a half of water to fill this up. So it's about 20 minutes away from 8 hours of filling it with water. You can see it's done at least maybe 20 inches. Still a lot more to do. Okay, it's next morning. Turn the water back on. It didn't drop any of the pool last night, so I'm happy. Okay, so I put a piece of tape on the wall when I turned the water off last night, and it only dropped maybe a 1/16 of an inch. So I consider the leak fixed, so I've continued filling it up. Not much more to go, step and a half. That'll probably take somewhere around 1 p.m. this afternoon. So I may be swimming in this soon. So the skimmer isn't full yet, but I have my pool pump going, and I'm going to clean the pool now, so when it becomes full, it's going to be almost swimmable. Okay, so it's almost 12 o'clock. Water's still not over the skimmer yet. I've given this a 3rd vacuum, and that pool looks really good. Over here where it's shimmering, this water looks almost good enough to drink. So I'm going to check the pH and maybe add some chemicals in while this is circulating. Okay, so I got a new test strip. We'll put it in. It's low on pH, so I got to put some alkaline in. Some chlorine and alkaline, and I'll be good. Okay, so added the chemicals. This has been going on now maybe 10-15 minutes since the chemical, but that water looks lovely. That is what this thing allows you to do, is do a lot of maintenance without using your own filtration system. Okay, so the first thing I did was put the plug in on the front of the pump and the plug-in on the sand filter. I leave it out during winter time. It's just best. Okay, so the next thing I do is I put this on waste and run the pump, and it draws all that water in from the skimmer and the bottom of the pool and the spa, and it takes it out through waste. Run it until it goes clear at maybe about 2 minutes. Then from there I turn it to rinse, and that cycles the water in through here. It'll come out really dirty and it'll get clearer and clearer, maybe about a minute. Then turn it off, then move it back up to normal, and then run it. Okay, so there's the pool. Just 3 vacuums. Didn't take long at all. That pool pump is really nice. Got the stairs in. It's now 2 o'clock, so it was a good 6 hours of water. Anyway, I'm going to enjoy the pool.
Is it cold?
Yes. So I've got the blocks up again. Now, I get asked, why do you have the blocks? And for some reason, that is tall enough that frogs and snakes won't go over. I've tried it 2 times now, not putting the wall out, and I've got snakes and frogs in there and in there. So That's how I keep the wildlife out. That water was good. Anyway, thanks for watching.